Is that a tornado? No, is it? It's hard to tell.
It is.
So rain wrapped. I don't know where it is.
Look at the radar again real quick. I think that's just a shelf cloud, but it's pushing out so much.
Could be. Or that's see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Can't tell what that. It could be. No, look. Tornado. Pretty sure.
It's just really low shelf, maybe. I don't know. I can't tell.
That's the RFD kicking in, and then.
Yeah, I bet you there's either rapid rotation.
Yeah, now it's going that way.
Pretty. Yeah, let's go. Let's turn around and.
I don't know what that is.
Right. Look on this way. Right up ahead. Right up here. Right here.
Yeah, let's get. Right.
That tree got mangled right there. Tree limb down.
Yeah.
Video. Signs down. I think I see it. Big stuff here. Oh, it's right there. There's right there. Is that RFD or what's hitting right there? I just saw stuff flying across the road.
It flew.
Might have been.
RFD.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, let's we can get right up. I think it's right up here. So, oh, that sign just got took down right in front of us. Cut that out. Yeah.
Look, there's debris in the air. Clear up in the air.
There could be a second tornado right here. Yeah, no, this is the second circulation. It might be on the ground. I believe it is. Close range.
I mean, I saw debris way up in the sky.